Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class I discussed about the preparation of carboxylic acid. And the second method is from alkyl benzene. On benzene, any alkyl group is there irrespective of its length. This is benzene on this alkyl group, alkyl group. When it is treated with KMNO4 in basic medium or acidic medium or neutral medium, any medium you can use because KMNO4 is a good oxidizing agent. And heat. This is at drastic condition. At normal condition, this will not undergo oxidation. Therefore, on oxidation, we will get here COOH, benzoic acid. It means whatever R group that we convert into benzoic acid. This R group you can take here any group, any alkyl. For example, I am taking here toluene, its common name, or methyl benzene. Methyl benzene is an IUPAC name, toluene is a common name here. This toluene react with the same KNO4 in basic medium and at high temperature. Delta symbol is there, you have to consider at high temperature. This is called drastic condition. Then same product we will get here. Whatever the chain length, it will convert into benzoic acid. Now I will take another alkyl benzene. This is called ethyl benzene. Two carbons are there. This is methyl benzene. This is ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. Here how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens are there. Here how many hydrogens? Next two benzene bring there. One carbon and this 2 hydrogens are there. Carbon and CH2. So 2 hydrogens are there. Then this is also react the same reagent and convert into benzoic acid. Irrespective of its chain length. Here 2 carbon, here 1 carbon. If you take the 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon also, it convert into benzoic acid only. Next, this is taken as isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. This is, you may be studied in the alcohol chapter in phenol. It is also known as cumene. Common name cumene. Otherwise, it is isopropyl benzene. Same reagent you can take here, or chromic acid also you can take. Chromic acid is K2Cr2O7 and concentrated H2SO. K2Cr2O7 in concentrated H2SO for acidic medium. This is converted into COOH. All are converted to COOH only, irrespective of its chain length. Next, add this benzene next carbon. This is the next carbon here. How many hydrogen? 0 hydrogen. If you take the same reagent here, KMNO4 in base, sometimes they make you like OH minus also. Instead of KOH, NaOH, they will get only OH minus and heat. Then here, no reaction. Don't get this X. This is no reaction. Because at least one hydrogen should be present next to the benzene ring. So here there is no hydrogen, that's why there is no reaction. And keeping in mind, this is under normal condition do not oxidize. At drastic condition only it converts into benzoic acid. Now one more example I will give for your understanding. This is a benzene. On this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever the benzene side chain, its length is bigger or smaller, it converts into which one? Benzoic acid. It converts into benzoic acid. Okay. Now this also convert alkene. This is called, what is that? Its common name generally used, that is called styrene. Its name is styrene. It will come in the polymer chapter also, but polymer chapter nowadays in Corona time not there maybe. So this is called styrene. Here how many hydrogens are there at this carbon? Because you have to find out the carbon balance. How many carbons are there? 1 and 2. So this carbon bond is 1 and here 2 bonds. So total 3 bonds. Another one which one? That is hydrogen. So here hydrogen present. Then this also convert into same benzoic acid. This is in text question may be given in your textbook. How styrene is converted into benzoic acid. That part also I am discussing here only. Okay. Next. Anyone launching here also maybe I have converted like this. Then here again chain length increase, but if it is break here, then it's what converted which one? Again benzoic acid. So each one consider next to the benzene ring should have one at least one hydrogen. Then only it converted to benzoic acid. Otherwise, so this is about the second method from alkyl benzene. Next one from this third one method from nitriles and amides. Nitrile nothing but cyanides, amide nothing but C double bond O NH2. Okay. Nitrile means cyanides. This is amide. From nitriles, amide we will get the carboxylic acid. Here, any one nitrile take RC triple bond N. RC triple bond N. Otherwise, sometimes this bond not written like this also represented. Then you have to consider that is C triple bond N. This is undergo acidic hydrolysis H plus or OH minus hydrolysis. In acidic medium hydrolysis or basic medium hydrolysis. First it gives amide. That's why heading is there here from nitriles and amides. Initially it gives amide. Next again in presence of H plus or OH minus, acidic or basic hydrolysis, and little bit heat also will be there. Okay, then it converts into which one? RC double bond OH. Keep in mind, very careful. Here H will come in acidic medium. This is in acidic medium product. Otherwise, in basic medium is RC double bond O minus. This is carbon, this product in basic medium. In basic medium product. This is generally asked in competitive exam because students know that cyanides convert into carboxylic acid, that much only. But if depth they may ask the question, they will give option this one also, both also, none also they will give. There are 4 options will be created. In acidic medium, H will be there here. In basic medium, H will be. That is we have to convert. In statement form given in your textbook, but sometimes we will not that much concentrate, but competitive exam purpose this is very, very important. So now take one example. CH3 C triple bond N. This is one of the 2 carbon nitride. This is called ethane nitride. Ethane nitride. This is now I am taking acidic hydrolysis. In acidic hydrolysis, this is represented as H3O plus, H2O and H plus. What you will consider? H3O plus. Then this is first initially converted to CH3, C double bond O and H2. Again this is on acidic hydrolysis H3O plus then it is converted into CH3, C double bond O H. This is the product. Then you may ask the byproduct because here nitrogen is there. Carbon respect to product is there. If here nitrogen is there, in acidic medium byproduct is available here. Acidic medium byproduct is NH4 plus. In basic medium byproduct is NH3. Now acidic medium we use here. Then what is the byproduct here? NH4 plus. Okay. Now take the basic medium. Same compound will write here. CH3, C triple bond N on basic hydrolysis. Little bit heat also is there. Next, this will convert into same amide part first one. There is no change. And on basic hydrolysis again, then it will be converted to CH3, C double bond O